Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Keep going, Ruby. Push the button. Push the button. That's it. Frankie. Look at me, Frankie. Why are you being like this?
Because I don't want Ruby to crash.
You okay, Rubes? Yeah, why is Frankie crying? Why is Frankie crying? She keeps going up the hill. Do you want to drive and put Ruby in the trailer?
Yeah.
Wait for Ruby to hold on tight. Okay, feet up. Don't push the button though. It's okay, Rubes. Hey, Rube. Wave.
If you go up the hill and drive, if I help out, it's your turn. And if you go up the hill, I don't want you to go up the hill, alright? Okay?
Good girl, Frankie. Good girl.
I'll
Yep.
drive because I won't go up the hill.
Do you wanna try Ruby driving?
No. She wants to go in the trailer.
Hold on, wait for Ruby to hold on. Okay, you ready, Rubes?
Yeah.
Ready, Frankie? Yay! Oh, crash. Ruby, what happened? What happened? You okay? Did you have a crash?
Yeah.
Do you want to hop back on?
Well, I was driving.
Oh, ice.
Yeah.
Where are we going to put the ice?
Okay.
On your hands. Okay.
I don't want to bump down and do that.
You don't want to go down the bumps?
No.
See how you're holding your leg out now? See how your leg's out off the side of your bike? That'll work. That'll stop it bruising. Feet up.
So good.
She's clever, isn't she?
Oh, Ruby, all the way goes up to 11 blocks. Oh. Let me have. It's not working.
Ruby, push the button.
Smile, Dad.
Push the button.
Smile.
Push the button.
Hey, look at this, Dad. Dad.
Push the button.
Dad. Dad.
Push the button.
Dad.
Push. Good girl.